If you've ever felt your desktop or downloads folder getting a little too chaotic, this quick guide is going to help you take back control. Today, I'm going to show you how to create folders and move files into them in just a few simple steps. It's easy, it's fast, and it'll make your computer feel instantly more organized. Let's jump right in. To create a new folder, you can do this anywhere: your desktop, documents, or inside any File Explorer window. Just right-click on any blank space, and you'll see a menu pop up. Hover your mouse over New, and a small submenu will appear. From there, click Folder. A brand new folder will appear instantly. Go ahead and type whatever name you want to give it. Something clear and useful. For example, I'll name mine Important Documents. Press Enter and your folder is ready. Now, if you open it, you'll notice it's completely empty. So let's put some files inside. Moving files is super straightforward. In the location where your files are, click on the file you want to move. If you want to move multiple files at once, hold down Control while clicking each one. Once you've selected them, simply drag the files over the folder and release your mouse. That's it. They're now inside. Open the folder again and you'll see all the files neatly stored right where they should be. It's one of the easiest ways to keep your computer organized and save yourself time later. And that's all there is to it: creating folders and moving files in just a few seconds. If this quick tutorial helped you out, feel free to drop a like and consider subscribing for more easy tech tips. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.